Hello everyone. How many people of you see this? This is selling everywhere. Believe me, this product is selling everywhere. Now, many people, maybe you saw the photo, the videos. Now, I am catching in this channel. What is the special? I'm not sharing my screen and show you the product or share some videos. I have the product in my hand. The finishing really is very good. This is one of the top selling product this year. I guarantee this for you. Just yesterday, we have more than 5,000 orders for one client. I will not tell you the country. It is secret. You can send me private, I can tell you. Okay. Have different colors, different size. You could see the video. In the link, there is the product in our app. And also, if you want to buy one sample, you can buy from also the link of AliExpress. Sell this product now. This is very important. You sell this product now. I hope you share the video, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you more and more in the next videos. Lots of links down, lots of services in mutualdropship.com. I hope to see you in the next video. I wish each one of you a big happy sales. See you in the next video. Bye bye.